How to fix blurry Instagram stories after uploading. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever uploaded a story and it suddenly looks blurry, pixelated, or low quality, then you're not alone. This is one of the most common issues creators face on Instagram. And the frustrating part is that your original video or photo looks perfectly fine on your phone or just in your file. But once it's uploaded, the quality just drops. And in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly why this happens and how to fix it step by step, so your stories stay sharp and professional. Now, we need to understand why Instagram lowers the quality. Before actually fixing it, you need to understand the cause. Instagram compresses all uploads to save bandwidth and load faster. That means that the video gets compressed and images lose their detail and resolution gets reduced. But the good news is that you can control how much the quality is lost. And this is the most important setting, which is turning on high quality uploads. This is super easy to manage. You can simply go over to your settings, and once you're in your settings, you're going to hover to data usage and media quality. Now you can usually do this in your settings, and it is usually linked under the folder for your app and media. Now on your phone, you're going to see data usage and media quality. And it depends on your web browser, or if you're using your laptop, then sometimes the option may not be available right in front of your eyes. So you can still go ahead and go to accessibility and either go to reduce the motion or simply go over to your app and media. And then you can turn on upload at highest quality. This tells Instagram to reduce the compression as much as possible. Now, Instagram stories are designed for vertical video. The ideal resolution is 1080 x 1920, which is a 19:16 layout. So if your video doesn't match this, then Instagram will resize it, and this is what causes the blur. So always export your content in this format already, so even after compressing the file or the video, it still doesn't look blurry. Now, you need to avoid re-uploading from other applications, because if you upload videos that were already compressed by apps like WhatsApp or TikTok, then the quality drops even more. Always upload your original file directly to Instagram. So if you're editing in apps like CapCut, you can also export it with a 1080 pixel resolution, and that is super reliable as well because you get a high bitrate in 30 fps or 60 fps when you're editing the video. So low export quality is going to give you a blurry story, and high resolution and just something with 30 fps or 60 fps is going to result in a much better and clear. Now you need to check your internet connection. Slow or unstable internet can force Instagram to upload a lower quality version. So before uploading, just simply make sure that you switch to a strong Wi-Fi or it's connected to a higher cellular data, and avoid weak mobile data. A stable connection helps preserve the quality, so just stick to the best internet connection because this is basically working on the Meta server. Now, it's best to avoid zooming in too much because zooming into a video or image reduces its sharpness. If you zoom in too much while editing your story, it will look blurry after the upload. So try to keep your content properly framed from the very beginning. Now, you can use the Instagram camera instead as well, because sometimes uploading from gallery reduces the quality. So try recording directly inside Instagram camera. This can give better optimization for most of your stories. And if your uploads are consistently blurry, then your app might have a cache issue. So on Android, you can clear the cache from app settings, and on iPhone you can reinstall the application if needed. This can fix the quality bugs instantly. It's also best to avoid excessive editing inside Instagram by adding too many filters, stickers, or effects, and this is going to ruin the quality. So keep your story clean and minimal for the best results. And also, low light videos naturally look super grainy, so even before uploading, make sure your content is well lit. Better input is going to give you a clean and better output. Now, to really fix the blurry stories, it helps to understand what's happening behind the scenes on Instagram. When you upload a story, Instagram automatically just reduces the size, adjusts the bitrate, and re-encodes your entire video. So if your original file is already low quality or heavily compressed, then Instagram compresses it even more, which is why it ends up looking much blurry. So the goal is to upload the highest possible quality file first, and even after Instagram compresses it, it still looks good. And if you're editing your videos before uploading, your export settings matter a lot. Inside tools like CapCut, it's best to use the highest quality and just avoid exporting in 720 pixels or lower, because Instagram will compress it further and destroy the entire quality, and that's what's going to result you to blurry stories. Now, if you're uploading screen recordings, then you might notice they look extremely blurry. That is because even screen recordings often have a lower bitrate, compressed text, and fine details. When Instagram compresses them again, the text becomes hard to read, and to fix this, record in the highest quality and avoid zooming too much. It's best to keep the text large and clear. Now, the text is one of the first things to lose clarity. And if your story includes text, then make it bold and increase the font size. And if you don't, then it's just going to feel small, and then text becomes unreadable after compression. So design your content with compression in mind. One big mistake people make is transferring videos through apps like WhatsApp and then posting it. Even after you simply transfer these videos in HD, these apps compress your video before you even upload. So instead, use AirDrop for iPhone, or use a USB transfer, or use cloud storage. Or you can just upload it in the drive and then further post it. This keeps your original quality intact. Now, a smart trick is testing your upload before you actually post it. Post your story privately or share it with a close friend, and check the sharpness, text clarity, and the color quality. If it looks blurry, then delete and re-upload with better settings. And if you want best results, don't rely on your phone camera. You can use DSLR, mirrorless camera, or simply high-quality phone camera settings. Better input quality always survives the compression better. Now, here is a pro level workflow that you can use. Record in the highest quality, transfer without any compression, and once that is done, simply edit in CapCut or export it in 1080 to 1920 high bitrate, and then simply just enable the high quality upload in your Instagram settings. And once that has been enabled, upload on strong internet. This gives you the best possible result on Instagram. And now you're not just fixing blurry stories, you're actually at a point where you understand how Instagram compressions work and how to work around it. And that is what really makes the difference. Because once you control your input quality, your output will always look better, even after compression. And if this has helped you, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications, and check out more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.